Do you want to know what it is? No, don't leave. This is not a preview for the new Matrix movie. You're actually at Props and Wheels, and we are at a Halloween party. And I am the Neo, not the young one from the trilogy, but the old one, as you can tell. And I have an RC aircraft to review during this party. Let's open it up to see what it is. It looks like a camera, right? Wrong. It is a camera drone. I'm really excited about this because it folds up into a camera. Well, folks, here are the contents. Yes, this is a drone. Over here. Okay, let's see. Pull these out like that using your nails, and it becomes a drone. Supposedly it's supposed to fly, and it came with one battery, just one cell, 3.7 volt, 650 milliamp hours battery. And here is a controller, and it's supposed to have a place to put your phone. I'm assuming it's going to be below like this. So you put your phone below because it will be sending the videos and the pictures that you're taking to the phone's memory. These are fake antenna, you don't even have to use them. And this is going to take 3 AA batteries that I need to find from my sister or my brother-in-law. And here is instruction manual in, I believe, multiple languages. Oh well, these 2 languages, Chinese and English. User's guide. And there are some QR codes, I'm assuming, to download the app that it will be using. Some explanations. Little bag which contains the charger, connects to a USB adapter, and not a full set but half set of these rotor blades, and a very tiny little Phillips screwdriver. I'm assuming to remove the rotor blades if you break them. And this is your lanyard to carry the camera. You just put it through this hole and you can just wear it around your neck. And just when you need to take some pictures of yourself with the others or videos, you release the drone. While the battery is charging, I'd like to point out a couple things. First of all, I got this drone or camera, flying camera I should call it, from Banggood, and it was $29.99 and shipping was like 77 cents, and I total paid $30.76 shipped to my door. The second thing is, I was trying to figure out what brand this is. So here it is saying Huaxiang Toys, and it says IA, and that's the only thing I could find, and the model is F6, and you can see it here. It also says optical flow follow, but this box is not check marked, so I'm assuming it doesn't have these options. And it's claiming a lot. So this has a HT camera, not a real HT, but 720p HT camera, and the Wi-Fi connection is 2.4 gigahertz to the phone. 6-axis gyro, 360 reversal, the headless mode. I think that what it's trying to say is this is the flip function, so you press the button and then it can flip to any direction you want. It has altitude hold as well, so this is not a throttle stick. The throttle control up and down, it controls the altitude, so you move it up, it goes up, you move it down, it goes down. When it's in the center, it stays, it keeps its altitude. The other thing is the manual is really high quality. The English is good, the illustrations make sense, everything is great. And these, although the instructions are a little small to read, everything is great. And this QR code took me directly to the Google Play. I download the app and it installed without any issues. Hopefully it will be working without issues as well. Another thing I would like to point out, not all drones or RC aircraft have this, that come with a transmitter. So everything is labeled, both in English on the side as well as, you know, with a really descriptive icon on the button itself. So this is very helpful, extremely helpful. So here you have the photo, video, you know, short press, you will take a picture, long press, it will start the video. This is that 360 flip or stunt function. And then this is the gyro calibration, long press. And be careful, short press, this will cut down the power. So this is kind of emergency stop. This is the headless mode where the orientation doesn't matter. You know, you push it, the right stick away from it will go away, and then pull it forward, it will come towards your right, left. And it doesn't matter what orientation it's in. This is the speed mode. I'm assuming it has at least 2, maybe 3 speed modes. And which is helpful. Indoors, you will set it to low speed, and outdoors, if there's a little bit of breeze, you set it to the highest speed, so in order to overcome the wind. So this is one button, takeoff and landing, and these are the trim buttons. So I'm glad they added the trim buttons, because I don't think this has optical flow sensor, because I don't see any camera looking down. Looks like it has a couple LEDs, but that's it. Everything is ready, and hopefully I'll be able to record everything. So the first thing is turning on the power to the flying camera. Oh, this one. Okay. So this is the first thing. Now I have to connect it to my phone. And there should be a network showing up. It must be this one, HX523168. So I'm going to select that one. And then next, I'm going to turn on power. So pull this out, and then on my phone, find the app that I downloaded, VSFPV, open it, and let's connect. Let's say allow, and it should be connecting, yes, see? Where's your mask, man? Where's your Halloween mask? Okay, it is working, and I'm going to put my phone below, over here. And hopefully it won't be pressing, it's so big. For my phone it's too big for this. It's going to open almost. Oh, of course, then when I tried to do that, it pressed on the off button. I may not have to use the phone, so I can probably use just the controller. Kaya, can you carry the phone? Mm-hmm. Because I have all the controls that I need here. And let's get it started and taking videos. So I'm going to start. Hold on, let me show. Let me see. So long press, and it looks like it is recording. I hope it is recording. I count on that. And let's take off. So there is one key takeoff over here. Maybe I have to arm first. This. Okay. Well, very stable. Look. It is very stable. And it is inside an area that creates a lot of air currents. Let's go a little bit up. I wish I could have had my phone Alright, I think it's an instant hit. And this is the Halloween party at my sister's house and my brother-in-law's house, 800 in Dallas. I wish I could have my phone and see what's going on. But it's quite stable, and then if it is not stable, if it is drifting, can always do a little trimming. Let's see. It is coming towards me a little bit. So what I'm going to do is hit that trim function, and I will to the right. It's too much now. And very stable. It's almost hands off. And I'm going to try to take a couple pictures. I don't know if it does it while it is Kaya, is the video still recording? Okay. Alright, let's Is this still recording? And there are a lot of obstacles around, and it's still doing pretty good. The flying camera. I think it has been in the air for at least couple minutes. It's a flying camera.
Yes, what do you want? That's exactly what you want.
And let's go around a little bit and see how long the battery lasts. This is really nice. I mean, it looks like a camera. It exactly looks like a camera. Is the video still recording, Kaya? Is it? Oh, good. Let's go inside. Just see a little bit of the Halloween decoration. I'm really impressed with this. The only thing is, I wish my phone fit in that phone holder. My brother-in-law, the Egyptian pharaoh, took off his top, so. Oh, the battery is going low. I think it's going to land soon. And my older son, Bora, is playing the piano. Okay, I think it's time to land. And let me press the funky land. Okay folks, here it is. The flying camera. Wow, it's very bright. That's probably one of the reasons the battery gets low so quickly. I didn't even have a chance to test all the functions, but hey, this was great. And I may make another video probably just so that I can test all the functions that you can see in this app. And the flight time, I'm guessing, was from the video a little over about 5 minutes. This is fair. I mean, for like a $30 flying camera. And thank you very much for watching. And I would like to thank my son Kaya for helping. Well, folks. Yeah. Don't kill my viewers. You crazy little man. Stay safe and healthy, and happy Halloween if you are watching it on Halloween. If not, happy past Halloween. Hope to see you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.